Imagine standing on the moon, looking at Earth, a small blue marble in the vastness of space. Now, picture something millions of times larger than Earth, so powerful that it swallows light itself. Welcome to the ultimate cosmic face-off, Moon versus Earth versus the biggest black hole. Gravity rules everything. The moon's gravity is just 1/6 of Earth's, meaning you'd weigh much less there. Earth's gravity keeps our atmosphere intact, but ton 618, its gravity is so strong that not even light can escape. It's a true cosmic vacuum cleaner. The moon is a barren rock. Earth is a vibrant world with a solid core, mantle, and atmosphere. But a black hole, it's not made of anything, just an infinitely dense singularity surrounded by an event horizon, a point of no return. The moon stabilizes our planet and controls tides. Earth is the only known world with life. And ton 618, it's a galactic giant, shaping the universe by devouring everything in its path. So, who wins this cosmic showdown? The moon keeps Earth steady. Earth is our home. But ton 618, it's the ultimate force of destruction and creation. In the universe, scale and power change everything. Which one fascinates you the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more space explorations.